Hi friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today I'm going to be just show something simple. I'm not going to take a lot of time. Yeah, I just want to show something later. Now on this video I want to show something called show and hide using Jquery. Let me first remove all of this previous assignment I gave you guys. I hope you guys know what to do there. And don't forget, before as I remove, let me try to leave it there because it may be your first time to watch the video. Previous I said you guys go to onlinecourses.ospro.com so that you can actually enroll to my programs. I give free courses, and just enroll there no matter which country you're from. Just do that. And you'll also be in a position to request and ask me whatever thing you want to learn with me, no matter which country you're from. I'm going to be using something called Jquery, and I want to learn how to make you guys learn how to use hide and show at the same time. Maybe this is going to be show, and you can hide here. Hide your bananas. I want to use an ID there so that you can get to know. This hide is called show, and then I just want to use this one to be a class. Okay, you can still use ID whatever. This is going to be hide. Which one should be first of the two? You cannot say hide whenever you try to hide. It's showing, something like that. So this is hide. So just use that to be hide, whatever. And I just want to call that function here. If I try to first run this in our browser, this is it. You say show and hide. They're doing nothing for now, but we can actually make them work. Okay, this is it. Underneath there, just call your document.ready. Want a function to happen there. Sorry for that. Function. Underneath there, we want to first talk about maybe hide the content. Hide the p content. And how do you do that? To do that, you simply do this. You go here and talk about the paragraph itself, which is the p, because I'm using the element p for now. And I simply say hide. You can specify how many seconds you want, microseconds actually I'm using there. Now that implies when someone just do that, you want that element to hide. Now, to hide, you cannot just say hide this because we need to talk to who's going to tell that element to hide, and that's going to be hide. So I'll simply say one on us that's going to be this is hide with id, so it has to be h hide. When someone clicks on it, on click, there's something called on click. We want a function to happen there. And this time, this function that we want to happen there is called hide of what? Hide of p. You get? So I want p to be hidden, and I may use 1,000 of that. So that's what we want there. Also, we want, in simple term, as it is hidden, we also want it to be shown up, or to be shown using a button called show and having an ID show. So if you simply do that and double click on here, I just want it to show for me that given stuff. So on show click, you get, when someone clicks on show, I want a function called that to show for me on my paragraph. And on this simple term, I'm still talking to my paragraph P, and I'm talking about something called show. You get? And this is it. I'm still using 1,000 if possible. You can even use a 500 no matter. Who has limited you? No one. So if I come back here, I refresh my page, good, nothing. If I click here, boop, it shows up. Remember when I click here, it can't bring back. But if I click here, it has to bring back my element. So this one can hide, this can definitely show the page. So guys, thanks for watching this video. You can actually use more properties using that. So the syntax is simply simple, and I think you guys have learned how to do that. There's also using a Tango, which Tango does too. So this is simply answering up how to use Tango. So guys, I need to add that assignment for you guys. How to use Tango? I previously remember showing guys how to deal with the Tangos, but I hope you still remember that. So I just want you guys to go on and try to also use a Tango, and I want to put where you guys can comment down on my video, you're going to put the video URL, your video URL, so that people can definitely see what you have done. I'm going to leave where you guys can put in. You just put for me a video URL so that I can see what you guys have added up, so that you can go and watch your video. So I'm going to create a forum room where you guys can also comment and let me know what you guys have done, especially you're following up with me, so that don't lose. Each time you comment, you also get what you need and also get a chance to watch what you've done. Thank you for watching this video. Love you.